So we're going to go empty this porta potty. The porta potty. This is a portable potty. Okay, so I'm going to show you where and how. Also, they have a carrying handle. It does not come out, it does not spill, it does not go anywhere. It is a sealed unit. This button here, I'll show you for when we get there. You'll have something like this. Bring some tissue with you if you wish. Do not be squeamish. Pull the lever open like that so you can rest it on you. Like I said, it's a sealed unit. You will not get dirty. Right, undo the cap. You don't want to look down the toilet because someone else has been there, alright? So we're not doing that. So what I do, because I'm right-handed, I'll hold the handle here with my left hand. My button is just to let air back in the system. Smells nice actually. Okay, and what you do is just tip away. Number 2's round the corner. Okay, and then you can just, well, there's water here. That's a bit awkward, that's a bit of an awkward height, that one. There we go, so we get in there. You know what I'm talking about? Give it a little bit of a shake.
Stir the poo.
Clean as a whistle. You see, it's that clean. Okay, and what I do then, I just put a little bit more water in, just a little bit, not too much. Put the cap on, put it back where it's supposed to go. That's empty, someone's left that there on purpose. I could have nicked some of that. Just get a bit of a wipe. These are disinfectant 100% cleaning wipes. Just give it a wipe. It's clean as a whistle actually.
What's the water in it left for? To mix with the blue stuff when you add the blue stuff?
Because otherwise the blue stuff's too thick. If it's too thick it won't
work.
And then it works. And what it does, that breaks down the number 2. And stops any smell. It does not smell whatsoever. Does it? You know.
No.
No, not at all. And that's it. It's that simple. Grab the handle. Bye. Don't forget, flush. To be ultra clean. I did not, I didn't. And there we go. Okay, so when you bring your loo back and put it all back together again, this handle will just come out automatically. If you want to open the handle up with, let me just show you. Well, that's it. If you want to lift the handle up or move the handle to clean round the rim, you have to push this part down. Okay, to put it back together, front on first, just like that. So the front locks in, back goes down, and this is free then to open. And then we'll add the blue stuff. You can add it before you put this on or after, it doesn't really matter. If you do it before, if you do it afterwards, you might want to just make sure that you're accurate, otherwise you might stain the toilet, which I'm going to try and not do. Nobody's watching now. And you only want like a capful. You don't need a lot.
Got a little blue spot there.
No!
You failed.
There we go. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and a like. We'll catch you next one.